We got 3 beautiful little babies by Jazzy. And today is 12th July. She had them this morning. 2 boys, 1 girl. We have an itsy tiny boy. I'm not sure if he's gonna make it. He's only 2 ounces. There is our sweet mommy, Jazzy. This is her 2nd litter. We have a tiny baby here. A tiny one. I'm worried about him. He's not even 2 ounces. And this one is having a party. He's the biggest one. So the first one was Red Band. She's a liver, and she's a liver party. Little girl. Oops, I have a nipple. Yeah, there she is. It's little Helen. She's only 2 hours old. That's her markings. Tails come off when they are 3 days old, sometimes 4. But this is the little girl, tiny little baby. She is chocolate like mommy, chocolate party girl. She's gonna be probably a toy size, and Ferrari is the daddy. Then the biggest one is Hershey, and he has a green band, and he has been going out of town ever since he made it into this world. So this is Hershey. That's his markings on the back. They're so delicate, you have to be gentle with them. Tiny little Hershey. Oh goodness, he was 6.3 ounces. He was a big boy. And then we have a tiny midget. Not sure if this one is gonna make it. It's not nursing, but we tube fed it already. His name is Harvey. It's only like a tiny little thing. 2 ounces. Like a little bird. Oh, and yawning. Little Hershey. And all my dogs are barking now because the other dog is outside the window. So, look how tiny this one is. Tiny little baby. In comparison to its big brother. Everybody wants out. It's time to go out, and they know it, and therefore they're all having a fit. Hey, mommy, you're a good mommy. So this little one is not. Oh, you want a nipple? You got it, right? You got it. She's sound asleep. You see the size difference. Okay, and that's it. I have to let the dogs out because they're not happy. It's past lunchtime. They need to all go out.